Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Glenda and we'll be doing another plan with me this week. We will be planning out the week of November 5th to the 11th using this beautiful kit from Harriet Wright Designs. It's called Cozy Winter and I love this color scheme and I just love these full boxes. I think they're so pretty. I ended up using every single sticker in this plan with me, and we will also be using the Simply Gilded washi tape. It matches the kit perfectly. We will also be using these inserts that I had made and foiled myself. It's the first time that I'm using this format of 4 pages, and I'm a little bit nervous because I've never used this format, so I did have to cut out some of the footage because it was taking me a while to decide how I was gonna do my layout. So here we're going to start with the headers, bow headers that I print at home. The shop is Chick Printables. I'll link her shop down below. She has great stuff on her shop. Here I'm about to lay down the full boxes, and for some reason I must have had too much coffee that day. I was having such trouble laying down the boxes. They weren't laying down straight, and I really wanted the foil lines to show through in between each of the sticker boxes, and so I had to use undo a couple of times. I cut that out because if not, this video was going to be over an hour long, and I'm not sure how everybody feels about that. I will do a live plan with me eventually. I'm just trying to get used to being able to talk and concentrate on what I'm doing, basically. I think it would be a little bit easier because a voiceover I feel is a little bit harder because you have to kind of remember what it is that you did, and usually when you're actually doing the plan with me, it's you're just going with the flow and you're actually talking about what's going on at that time. So anyway, the front of these inserts are the week from Monday through Friday. I flipped over the insert and now I'm laying down Saturday and Sunday's full boxes. You will see that I don't lay down the washi right away because I wasn't sure how I wanted to lay out the washi, but eventually I do love the way it ended up looking. This week was a pretty busy week. We had an event to go to. My daughter was inducted to the World Language Honor Society, and she was asked to read her essay in at the ceremony. We were so proud, and the subject that she chose was so touching. It was about my mother and growing up, how she was embarrassed to speak English with an accent, and it was just a very beautiful tribute to my mom. The first icon that I laid down was a little clock from Magic Prince Co. And I noted that I had to leave work early that day because I had to pick up my daughter because she had rehearsals. Then I put down the film icon and the film written letter in foil. That is from Rose Colored Days. I love it. It is so cute. I also laid down a quarter box from Chick Printables. Again, I printed that at home with a My Newest Addiction bow. Love it. It's so beautiful. I love the old style and I also love her new style bows. Just beautiful. This is where I decided that I was going to lay down the washi, but just cut it for each box so that you can see the foiling in between each lay of washi. And I think it turned out pretty nice. So on Tuesday was election day, and my daughter was off of school, but my husband and we had to go to work, unfortunately. Here I'm laying down a flag from White Deer Stationery. This half box is from the kit, and I'm going to be marking my friend Sandra's birthday with this Magic Prints Co. birthday box icon. This quarter box again is from Chick Chick Printables, and I will be marking here that I need to go and vote, which I did. I find it easier to write in as I go the plans so that I don't forget why I laid it down. Some YouTubers are amazing. They lay down all their stickers and remember exactly what it is that they laid them down for. I mean, some things are obvious, like the birthday one is obvious, but anyway, here I lay down the washi and I end up having to scooch everything up later on. I have to use some undo and bring everything up because I had to put the I needed another space so that I can put that I edited the video from last week on that Tuesday. At this point, I had already moved everything up, but I cut that out because I wanted to save you guys some time. So there goes the beautiful edit hand lettering and icon from Rose Colored Days that I love. I have to buy some more if I'm going to keep up with this. So another quarter box, same shop, my newest addiction icon. Here I'm marking that my mother had eye surgery. She had to have some cataracts removed from her eyes. My parents live in Florida, like I stated in my first video, and I couldn't be there, which makes me sad, but it's okay. Thank goodness she has my father to take care of her, and vice versa. So here I laid down a half box from the kit. The arrows are from my newest addiction with a flag from the kit. And I also use the upload script and the YouTube icon from the Rose Colored Days social media sheet. And at this point, I am adding the washi tape, and I decided I needed to. It would be just easier if I did all the boxes going across instead of doing one by one. It's a little bit easier to do it upside down because the way the washi rolls out, it's very difficult to, I don't know, I just feel like from left to right, it's just easier. I don't know if anybody else has the same problem, but yeah, I wish that the design would, the tape would roll the opposite way, but it's okay. We make it work, right? Next, I am writing in all the events, and in the half box, I'll be writing in my daughter had another rehearsal for the ceremony, which was going to be the following day on Thursday, and I had to leave work early again. I am marking that my husband was staying at work so that he can leave early the following day and make make it to the induction ceremony the following day. I took a quarter box from the kit and I used a phone icon from, I believe it is Magic Prince Co. And I'll double check that. Using that Instagram lettering, foiled lettering, and that is from Chick Chick Printables. And I hope you noticed the little bow at the ends of the word. It is so cute. I just love it. Okay, correction. The cell phone is from Tasseled Planners. I have tons of her icons. I can't believe I didn't notice it. Then I laid out the half box, and noting the induction ceremony was going to be at 6 o'clock and that we were going out to dinner, a celebration dinner, right after with another tasseled planner icon. That's a little plate with a fork and knife. Then I'm marking on Friday that it is payday, and that sticker is from Magic Prince Co. I layered it with a flag from White Deer Stationery. I was trying to figure out what was the best look for the layering and finally figured that out. So after that, I am going to lay down a half box to note a friend of ours from work. It was her birthday. I had to pick up some goodies so that we can celebrate at work. I marked that. I'm also putting a quarter box again from Chick Chick Printables, and I layered it there. I'll end up moving that little planner. That little planner is from Two Little Bow Babies exclusive sampler from Tasseled Planner. If you go to her Instagram, you can get her discount code for Tasseled Planner, and if you put her name in the notes, you get this really adorable freebie. So there I go, changing that planner to the other side so it looks a little bit better. And here I am noting that I have to make some Christmas dividers that I'm going to eventually be changing out in my planner. So I just wanted to get a little bit of a head start on that. So now I'm going to the weekends. The weekend we had a lot of house stuff to do, so I stepped out just on Sunday to get some groceries, but for the most part we were home working very hard and catching up on some much needed housework. So here I am laying down a half box. Again, this half box is from Chick Chick Printables. She has different sizes and actually different designs as well. But I chose this plain border. And I laid down a washer from Magic Prince Co. and that little spray bottle is from Tasseled Planner. The foiled lettering is from Chick Chick Printables. I just wrote in laundry. Here I am using a quarter box from the kit and laying over a foiled movie night with a popcorn box from Magic Prince Co. I thought that looked so cute. And then I am laying down again another washi strip from the kit with a little nail polish from Jasenia Printables collab with Simply Watercolor Co. That collab was so cute. I do my own nails, so I'm writing here that I have to do my nails. I just had to fill them in and repaint them. I do a lot of stuff DIY, and my nails is one of them. I've been doing it since 8th grade, and I'm pretty close, I feel, to professional if I can toot my own horn. But yeah, I've been doing it for a very, very, very long time. and I'm able to do my right and left side. Here I am laying down the rest of the boxes with the washi tape. On Sunday, it is the same exact type of day. I just went out in the morning to get some groceries because if I didn't do it early, I was going to be too tired to do it at the end of the day. Oh, I forgot to say that weekend banner, it is foiled and it is from Rose Colored Days. Love it. It's a great size for when you want to do a double box like that. Again, that groceries lettering, foil lettering is from Chick Chick Printables, and I layered it with a flag from the kit. I layered from Magic Prints Co. a little house on there because we had to do some yard work. We had to put away a lot of the stuff that is on the deck. We had to cover the pool and disconnect it and all the house stuff that you need to do to prepare for winter up here in upstate New York. It's a lot of work. So next I laid down a half box from the kit, and here is just to remind me with a laundry basket from Magic Prints Co. And it's just to remind me that I have to wash the bed sheets and put away the laundry that I did the day before, and then I did I filmed on Sunday this plan with me. So here I went back to the weekend pages, and that Grateful For is from, she used to be called Watercolor Blooms, but now she is Gilded Press. Please check out her shop. She has some amazing stuff. She rebranded her shop and has some really beautiful Christmas kits. So you need to go check her out. I will link her down below. At this point, I decided that I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with the side bar that I had created. I'm not usually really into planner girls, girls that are put in kits, but I really liked this one. She wasn't looking at you, she was kind of looking down. It's almost like when you do a profile or the back of somebody's head where you just see the hair. I like those, but I am not a big fan of girls where you see their faces with their eyes open. I don't know what it is, but it just kind of creeps me out and I don't like the look. Here I had forgot to write in yard work, so I just ended up writing it in. The lower box, the top box that I use from Gilded Press, it says Grateful For, and I'm just gonna fill that out, not on camera obviously, and but I am gonna use the bottom box for purchases, and the other boxes I'm still deciding. I think I'm going to make a couple of lists there for the important things that need to get done during the week. The front sidebar, when we go back to it, I ended up, if you look at my Instagram post, I am Grand Planners Central Station on Instagram, the same name that's here on YouTube. You could see the final look of that sidebar, and I ended up writing Good Days Start with Coffee. I thought it was appropriate being that the first box was coffee, and it just, I hand lettered it, and I think it looks pretty. So at this point, I put in the date dots from Rose Colored Days, and that is all, folks. I hope that you enjoyed this plan with me. I really ended up loving the final look to this spread, and I hope you did too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe, that would be great as well. Just hit the subscribe button down below. You can also hit the bell button and it'll let you know when I upload any videos. So yeah, have a great day.